Okay, I'm making a really early morning video, as evidenced by Sky. I noticed in my last video I had no sound, so I'm gonna try and fix that. Let's start with outside. So first, we have a 6130M that has a hay mower attached to it. So, seems like we're gonna be going doing some hay soon. Next, we have a tractor that we're selling for $37,000 with the bush hog. New Holland. Go karts. More over there. We got the boys that way. Hey, what's in there? No, see that? Tired. Alright, now since you can hear me, let me show you some of the stuff in here again. We got Farmall H, International L112, which is, I don't know the cubic inches on it, no idea, but it's a 4-speed manual. What's cool is somebody tried to put farm truck on the side, right there, and then you get over here and you can kind of see more of it. International L110 series. Somebody in comments could tell me how big they think this engine is. I don't know if this means anything, but heavy duty bath air cleaner, oil bath air cleaner. I think what's cool is it shows firing order as well on it. I don't think silver might be its original color for the engine cover or whatever. But let's go back this one. You can open it like that, you can do it the other way around, or you can just take the entire hood off, which I should probably put the hood back on real quick. You can tell we're missing a mirror, but it's like rusted bad, so it's just you can't move. I'm moving the entire truck, trying to move that. These doors, I'm just gonna one finger. You might hear them here with them. Shut. Alright, so 4-speed manual. Windows still in one piece. The side windows, not so much, but they're still really good. And the other side's the same thing. I noticed about this one opens. It's cool. So I can't start it, of course, at the moment. No fuel tank in it. Got your gauges. It's showing 69,000 miles, I'm pretty sure. Yep, that's probably not true though. Wait, no. Yeah. I'm not sure though. You get this. No, it's 4, but it's pretty cool. Got a heater. It said 4-speed. First, second, and third, fourth, then of course you got reverse. Let's keep it in reverse. Get it, no brakes. Brakes are right there. And in asphalt. Yes. Parking brake. We got the old, what is it? Air conditioning. Lights work out my here. The lights work out what's going on, but that's the last thing I gotta do. Sure, so I gotta make this kind of quick too. So here, Model B. This runs and drives. It's original besides paint job. Grandpa did a little bit of paint job to it. 40/20. Working on, we might make a video on that. We'll see. See if my parents let me. It was, frame rail was cracked in half. Because of that, the front loader. And then in the oil pan, you got no stuff. You do not want to see that in an oil pan. And over here, we got a John Deere 60. This did run, but it's been taken apart and hasn't been put together in a while. Those pistons are huge. The valves on this thing, my gosh. Put that back in. It's crazy. The radiator on this thing's huge as well. Then we got a replacement engine for the 40/20. Went on transport, we busted a hole in it, which definitely don't want to do. But it's pretty complete. Formal H, it runs. It has some problems at the moment, but it's looking nice. We need new tires, which we have some. Whenever we got hit by a tornado, it put a massive dent in the front end of it, and somebody actually cleaned it up for us. It used to go way in on this side. But the only thing about this now is this red. I know you redid it, but it's gonna look completely different compared to this, the original. So that's what happens. Now I'll have to go because still gotta do chores. And I gotta make it to the bus. So here's the video. Hope y'all can, one of y'all can tell me if that's the heavy duty model or not for the International.